the enthusiastic Vivites in the United States of America, and a very good evening for all the Vivites back in India. So let me start this session. So as I've previously told, there were questions which were unanswered in the previous session, which I will be taking it first. So followed by the questions which are asked today as well. Well, dear Vivites, as you all know, Ayurveda is a very important product which is launched in the United States of America, which is based on the principle of advanced Ayurveda. It is based on the principle of advanced Ayurveda. So many people might not be knowing what advanced Ayurveda is all about. Advanced Ayurveda is something like the traditional Ayurveda, which is validated by the modern science and technology. Everybody knows Ayurveda is a traditional science of India. But in order to validate this, we use a lot of scientific techniques which will actually become a science by itself. It becomes a modern science by itself. We normally use technique which includes the instrumentation, which also has a lot of preclinical and clinical trials to validate our products, which are backed by the proof of concept, especially the publications and the patents that we do on the products, which will actually make our products as scientifically validated products, my dear friends. I hope you got this point. So advanced Ayurveda or Ayurveda is actually a gift of Indus Viva to the whole world, and of course to the United States of America as well. Well, as I told you, Ayurveda is a product which is backed by traditional Ayurveda and is validated by modern science and technology, which mainly includes the use of microbiology, the analysis, the instrumentation, followed by animal as well as human studies. This is how we try to validate advanced Ayurveda and our awesome product, which is Ayurveda, my dear friends. So this is how we do it. Well, the other important thing that I want to tell you here is Ayurveda is a 100% natural product actually. So it's a 100% natural product which is not having sugar in it. It is all about the presence of the 15 antioxidant fruits along with 4 traditional Ayurvedic formulations as well. So there is always a doubt in the mind of Vivites that what is the difference between iPulse and Ayurveda. I want to repeat this point because iPulse is actually a holistic combination of 15 antioxidant fruits, whereas Ayurveda is a combination, it's a combo actually. It's a combo pack which contains the goodness of the 15 antioxidant fruits followed by 4 traditional Ayurvedic formulations, my dear friends. So it is actually a combo pack in itself. And as everyone knows, as I've been telling on the Facebook Live on each and every day, so all the Indus Viva products are frontline immune booster products, my dear friends. So Ayurveda is also a very important frontline immune booster product. So this is the one fact that everybody needs to know, my dear friends. So please try to promote Ayurveda in the US even as a frontline immune booster product. So going ahead, my dear friends, Ayurveda is actually containing 4 traditional Ayurvedic formulation. See, 4 traditional Ayurvedic formulation in the sense it requires, see, each and every Ayurvedic formulation has a combination of herbs in it or medicinal plants in it. So Ayurveda contains totally a combination of 50 medicinal plants. I'd like to repeat this again. It contains 50 medicinal plants which are derived from 4 traditional Ayurvedic formulations, my dear friends. So this is how Ayurveda is actually formulated. So Ayurveda is actually a product which is a frontline immune booster, and almost all of the herbs or the medicinal plants which are used in Ayurveda are nothing but frontline immune boosters, my dear friends. And along with that, Ayurveda also contains a goodness of 15 antioxidant fruits, including acai berry. So please be aware of this point, that Ayurveda also contains the goodness of acai berry along with the 14 antioxidant fruits. Along with this, there is a very good combination of 4 traditional Ayurvedic formulations. All of this makes Ayurveda a very important product for an immune booster segment actually. So this is how Ayurveda is actually formulated, my dear friends. Well, the most important question that most of the American Vivites usually ask us is the FDA requirements in the United States of America. The FDA requirements. This is a very important topic because I'd like to tell you that all our products which are coming from India or elsewhere, which are grouped under or categorized under traditional health supplements. This is very important. These products are classified under traditional health supplements in the United States of America under the FDA, which is the Food and Drug Administration. So the traditional health products mainly includes Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani, homeopathy, the Tibetan medicine, Chinese medicine or Korean medicine. All these things are classified under traditional health products. For this, FDA does not validate any kind of claims or benefits. Again, I want to repeat this statement, my dear friends. FDA does not validate any claims or benefits of traditional health supplements in the United States of America. That is the sole reason why we are not making any claims or benefits on the packaging or on the marketing collaterals as well. This is the main reason why. So, but what does FDA normally regulate in the United States of America? So far as the products like Ayurveda are concerned, the first and the foremost thing is the packaging. So if you might have seen the packaging of Ayurveda, normally the packaging contains the supplement fact table. The supplement fact label is one of the things which is validated and regulated by the US FDA. The table has to have all the norms which are compliant with the US FDA standards, my dear friends. The second and the most important thing is the product has to be manufactured in a factory or a facility which has US FDA registration. This is also a very important thing. I hope you got both the points clear. The first point is the packaging has a supplement fact table which has to be validated by the US FDA, which is already validated by the US FDA. And the second thing is the manufacturing of the product has to happen in a factory or a manufacturing facility which is registered with US FDA, my dear friends. And in fact, if you are not knowing, our product Ayurveda is actually manufactured in the state of Texas in a place called as Waco, and the name of the company is Waco Bottling Company, which is actually present in the state of Texas, which is an FDA approved facility, and this is a place where our product Ayurveda is getting manufactured. I hope you understood this point. So FDA is all about these two important things only. This is what is exactly required for a traditional health product like an Ayurvedic product which is to be marketed or sold in the United States of America. I hope you got my point clear. Going ahead, my dear friends, major benefits of Ayurveda. What are the major benefits of Ayurveda? Basically, there are four important benefits of Ayurveda. One is the brain health support, gut health support, liver health support, and the heart health support. Again, I am trying to tell you, my dear friends, all these are based on the traditional Ayurvedic claims or benefits. None of these claims or benefits are validated by the US FDA, my dear friends. Try to understand this point. Again, I am trying to repeat this. Ayurveda it contains four major benefits. One is the brain health, gut health, liver health, and heart health, my dear friends. And again, I am trying to tell you the same thing. All these claims or benefits are not validated by the US FDA. It is all based on the traditional health claims which are made in the ancient textbooks of Ayurveda, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. Well, going ahead, in this particular episode of Facebook Live on Ayurveda, I want to concentrate on one point of Ayurveda which is relevant to the current scenario in the United States of America. That is nothing but the gut health. See, gut health is one of the most important thing that most Americans are suffering from actually. It is like, not the use of, people are more accustomed to use of lot of processed fat there. People are used to eating a lot of fast foods and especially the foods with more protein and fat in them. So the gut is gut in the sense it is nothing but your digestive system, which is nothing but your intestines and the stomach. This is a part which is actually affected, it's affected most of the times because of which the immunity of the person reduces. I'm again trying to repeat this point. Whenever the gut health of the person is affected, the immunity is automatically decreased. This is how most of the Americans' health is actually deteriorating on a day-to-day basis. So whenever the gut health is taken care of, automatically the immunity can also be helped. This is how Ayurveda is actually helping as an immune booster product, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So let me emphasize some more on this gut health point now. See, there are a lot of articles which have been published on some of the internet blogs as well as some of the research journals these days, especially during this crucial lockdown scenario of COVID-19. See, there is one of the articles which was appeared on June the 5th, today itself in the Indian time, in one of the online journals. It says that the novel coronavirus mainly attacks the cells lining your lungs. This everybody knows actually. Ultimately, whenever the virus enters your body by the droplets, it normally affects your lungs. Well, the other part of it is also important. Everybody knows that the lungs are affected, but what about the other organs in the body? See, now the researchers are telling that apart from the lungs, the virus is actually affecting your digestive system. So the virus is actually affecting your digestive system, in the sense it is actually affecting your gut, my dear friends. So definitely, when the environment of the gut is impaired, automatically your immunity is impaired to the core. That is the reason why people in the US, the researchers have told that they are suffering from symptoms like nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, cramps in the stomach, especially in the patients who are, the incidence of the age is around about 50% of the patients are suffering from these complaints. This is what the article is actually telling, my dear friends. So now I think you understood what the point is. Gut health is very important for maintaining the immunity. So Ayurveda is a very important product which can help or support your healthy gut. Automatically your immune system also reacts to this and becomes or boosts your immune system, or immune system becomes more active active, so that the body can be protected from all kinds of viruses or bacterial assaults in the future. I hope you got my point. So going ahead, my dear friends, the gut health, what is the importance of gut health again? Gut is a part which will actually affect your emotions as well. There are again articles which are written recently, especially during the COVID-19 situations. So what is exactly gut health doing? Whenever your gut health is impaired, it will actually affect your lifestyle. Your lifestyle will be affected. At the same point of time, your anger levels will increase. So your sadness increases. Your all kinds of negative emotions will increase. This is what the psychologists and psychiatrists around the world are even classifying this gut health as also one of the important situations where your mental health is affected, my dear friends. So again, you got to know the importance of Ayurveda here. Whenever your gut health is maintained, your mental health is also maintained, my dear friends. Why am I emphasizing on this point is, whenever the gut health is maintained, your memory or your concentration, your alertness can also increase. This is all interrelated, my dear friends. So gut is an area where there are friendly bacteria. See, all the bacteria and viruses are not enemies to the human being. So there are some bacteria which are actually friendly to the human beings as well. These are called as the probiotic bacteria. These probiotic bacteria usually stay in your gut. Whenever the probiotic bacteria are healthy, automatically your gut health is maintained, and at the same point of time your immunity is increased. So how exactly the probiotic bacteria are healthy? Whenever the probiotic bacteria are healthy, how they are healthy exactly? So there has to be a proper environment created for them to be healthy. How do you create that environment? It is always by the consumption of Ayurveda. You are creating an environment within your gut so that your friendly bacteria, otherwise called as the probiotic bacteria, they are also keeping healthy. Automatically your gut health is maintained. At the same point of time, your immunity also increases. I hope you got the point, the importance of gut health and immunity with the help of Ayurveda, my dear friends. So going ahead, again, gut health is not only limited to your immunity or emotions or the psychological health. Gut health also affects your skin health. Again, I am trying to repeat this point. Gut health also affects your skin health. This is how exactly the skin health is also affected with your gut. What exactly happens is, see, whenever your gut is affected, your blood circulation is also impaired. Whenever the blood circulation is impaired, your skin health is affected, my dear friends. See, there is one of the important articles which has appeared in one of the journals back in Ireland, in the United Kingdom. One of the major doctors there, Dr. Aisling Dwyer, she is actually a microbiome expert. So in fact, she says that Whenever your gut health is affected, you are normally suffering from a disease called as IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. And this is one of the major syndromes which is haunting the United States today. Most of them are suffering from this syndrome actually, IBS. In fact, this is not a major disease, but most of them are suffering from this syndrome because this is a psychosomatic disease. In the sense, it is actually a disease which is connected with your psyche or the emotions, and that is the reason why your gut health is deteriorating there. And I would like to tell you, my dear friends, Ayurveda is a very good product which can support your gut health, and automatically your immune status can improve. Again, I want to include one disclaimer here. The major disclaimer is all these claims what I am trying to speak here are not validated by the US FDA, because US FDA does not validate the traditional health claims, my dear friends. It is only the label information as well as the manufacturing facility. These are the only two things where the FDA is important. I hope you got my point clear. Well, going ahead, my friends, one of the important articles which actually appeared in the Hindustan Times back on 29th May. This was in India, but the article was about the United States. The article said something like this: why United States was hit harder by COVID-19? The question was raised like this: why United States was hit harder by COVID-19? Now the scientists are actually looking into the immune system of the people staying in United States of America. How the immune system is actually affected there, whereas in other parts of the world, how the immune system is keeping up itself, to a higher level, so that it is actually protecting the people from all kinds of dreadful diseases. And now the scientists are coming to a conclusion that the viral strains in the United States of America, the people who are affected with COVID-19, especially in their old age or older adults for that matter, their immune status were in a very compromised situation. We call it as an immunocompromised situation. In the sense, whenever your immunity goes down because of impairment of the gut health, automatically what happens is your compromised situations become more. In the sense, the body will be inviting all kinds of diseases. Your body is sitting there, the body will be inviting all kinds of diseases. Fever, please come to me. Flu, please come to me. Ear pain, please come to me. Headache, please come to me. Kidney diseases, come to me. Diabetes, come to me. This is how the body starts to invite diseases. This is exactly called as immunocompromised situations, which was found more in the United States of America as compared to other parts of the globe. Now, I hope you got the point clear. Maintain your gut health, so automatically your immune status will also improve, so that you will not be able to suffer from any kinds of diseases in the future, my dear friends. I hope you understood this point. Well, going ahead, one of the other important point that I wanted to emphasize here was Eye Glow is a traditional formulation which is actually based on the law of similarities. Law of similarities. Again, I want to repeat this point, because whatever happens in the external world is also happening inside the human body. This is exactly called as law of similarities. For example, there is water outside in the universe. You have water inside your body in the form of saliva, in the form of sweat, in the form of urine. You also have air outside in the atmosphere. You are breathing air inside your body as well. You have space in the atmosphere. You have space inside the body. This is what is exactly called as the law of similarity, my dear friends. So, what is the relevance of this law of similarity so far as Ayurveda is concerned? So normally what happens, the four types of Ayurvedic formulations which are present in Ayurveda are actually based on the law of similarities. For example, I already have explained to you about one of the formulations before. This formulation was actually called as Saraswata Churnam. Saraswata Churnam was containing an ingredient called as Brahmi. Brahmi or Centella asiatica. The leaves of Brahmi resemble the human brain, and that is the reason why Brahmi is a very important herb for maintaining or supporting the brain health. I hope you understood this point. This is what is exactly called as the law of similarity. So the ingredient that I am going to talk about today is also based on the law of similarity, called as the Bilvadi Leham. The second ingredient, whenever you see the packaging of Ayurveda, you can see this point of Bilvadi Leham, my dear friends. So Bilvadi Leham, when I speak about this particular ingredient, Bilvadi Leham is containing an important fruit called as bale fruit. It is called as the bale fruit. In English, it is called as wood apple. Again, I am trying to repeat this. In Indian terminology, it is called as bale fruit. In English, it is called as wood apple. And this is a very important fruit which supports your gut health because of the fact that whenever you look into the structure of the fruit, the shape of the fruit, it resembles your stomach. This is what is exactly called as the law of similarities. And even the modern science is actually agreeing and validating this law of similarity, my dear friends. I hope you understood this point. Well, going ahead, Bilvadileham is an Ayurvedic formulation which is used in a variety of stomach related complaints like vomiting, nausea, low digestion power, etc. So this is exactly in the form of a paste actually in its native form. But in Indus Viva, as I told you, Ayurveda is an advanced Ayurveda product where the traditional science is validated by modern science and technology. That is the reason why we have made it into a fruit juice form actually. This is how it is done. So going ahead, my friends, Bilvadileham is a combination which contains 15 herbs in it. So Bilvadileham is not a single herb. Bilvadileham is nothing but a combination of 15 herbs in it. This is actually mentioned in a traditional Ayurvedic textbook called as Sahasra Yogam, which is dating back to 3000 years. Again, I want to repeat this point. This is actually found in a textbook called as Sahasra Yogam, which is dating back to 300 years. So Bilvadileham is actually an ingredient which supports digestion, metabolism, it reduces gut inflammation, and it is also helpful in easy passing of the stools and healthy bowel movement. So, and it is also aiding in the heaviness of stomach. So it improves the digestive strength, it optimizes the gut secretions, it stabilizes your bowel movement, and the most important thing is it detoxifies your gut. This is a very important thing. So this particular Bilvadileham in Ayurveda detoxifies your gut. So this is a major reason why it helps in supporting your gut health, and automatically your immune system improves. Again, I am trying to put a disclaimer here. These claims, whatever I spoke about right now for the Vivites back in the USA, these claims are only based on the traditional textbooks of Ayurveda, and such claims will not be validated by the US FDA. Try to understand this point, my dear friends. Again, going ahead, Bilvadileham is a very important ingredient which is also an antioxidant. It is an anti-diabetic. It helps in reducing the diarrhea or the loose motions. It helps in reducing the inflammation. It reduces the fever. It reduces pain. It is also good for conditions like malaria. And it is also a very good antiviral and antibacterial ingredient also, my dear friends. I hope you got this point. So going ahead, again, Bilvadileham is a very important ingredient in Ayurveda which can control the cholesterol. It reduces the constipation because constipation is a very important problem, a very major issue which is haunting the United States. Most of them are suffering from irritable bowel syndrome, and the same point of time they are also suffering from constipation, because constipation, if left as it is, can result in hemorrhoids or piles. So regular consumption of Ayurveda can definitely relieve constipation, my dear friends. So it reduces the skin rashes, it purifies the blood, it also has antimicrobial properties, and it can reduce the swelling or the inflammation as well. Well, my dear friends, again, as a part of statute, regulatory problem, I would like to tell you this: the claims that has been made has not been validated by the US FDA. Again, I am telling you this for everybody's benefit, my dear friends. So as you might be knowing, Ayurveda is actually a herbal supplement, otherwise called as a dietary supplement in the United States market. This is a supplement which is actually used to maintain the health in a healthy person and to prevent forthcoming disease. It is not a replacement for mainstream medicine. It can be taken along with other medications also. It has least to no side effects. So these are some of the important attributes of Ayurveda. Well, going ahead, my dear friends, it is always suggested to consume 30 ml of Ayurveda, which is equal to 2 ounces in the US, twice daily, half an hour before your food, for beneficial results. And most of you have asked us a doubt that why it is to be taken before the meal only. It is always for the better absorption inside the body. Ayurveda has to be consumed half an hour before your meals. So 2 times in a day, it is 2 ounces as per the US calculation. It is nothing but 30 ml twice daily. So Ayurveda can be safely consumed for longer duration without worrying much about the adverse effects. It can be safely consumed by people of all age groups, from children especially above 8 years of age. Again, I am trying to repeat this: children above 8 years of age till the elderly population. Ayurveda can be used safely, my dear friends. So this is what is exactly the concept of gut health and immunity, as well as the most important ingredient of Ayurveda, which was Bilvadileham. I hope all of you listening to this program, seeing this event, both in the United States as well as in India, have got to know the knowledge of what these two things are in Ayurveda. In the coming Facebook Live series, I will be talking about the other ingredients which are present in the product Ayurveda, my dear friends. Hope you have imbibed some knowledge out of this. What I would like to request you all is, let us all, even in the United States of America, please consider this product as a dietary supplement only and not a medicine. It is not a replacement for medicine. It is just a dietary supplement which has to be supplemented along with your diet, along with your regular diet as well as exercise and lifestyle. These two also play a very important role. So let us all join hands to make the whole world a place with wellness. So let us all delete wellness from our CPUs and all, install this software called as wellness, so that everyone in this world, every other human being in this world, are right on track of wellness and not illness, my dear friends. So our products are considered to be protective products. Our products are considered to be preventive products and not therapeutic or curative products, my dear friends. So with this, I'd like to end this session of Ayurveda. Hope you have understood these points. If suppose someone in the United States is not able to see this, please share them the link of this video on your homepage or wherever the watch parties, or definitely, you can also tell them on the WhatsApp or whatever it is. So, but please like the page of Indus Viva INC or the Indus Viva US page, and every Friday night at 10 p.m. I'll be coming on live speaking about two important points on our wonderful product Ayurveda in the United States of America. So thanks for watching this, my dear friends. So well, before this, I have some questions of the last week which I want to answer here before I end my session. The questions are like this. Okay, one of the questions is from Mr. Sahil Rajput. See, again, the question is something like this: face any problems from authorities in the United States about marketing marketing Ayurveda to US nationals? Absolutely, my dear friends. As I told you, it is a traditional health product. US FDA does not validate any claims or benefits. FDA is required for only 2 points. One is the label information. The second is the manufacturing place, both of which are validated by the US FDA for the product Ayurveda, so that you will be safely, you can market the products to the US nationals. The second question that I am seeing here is from Ms. Pooja Thakur. Is it a best immunity booster? This is also a very important thing. From Ms. Pooja Thakur is actually talking about the immunity. Just a moment. Yeah. Ms. Pooja Thakur, is the best immunity booster? Absolutely, it is the best immunity booster that we have. As I told you, it is a combination of 15 antioxidant fruits along with the best of the best 4 traditional Ayurvedic formulations, my dear friends. So the next question that I am seeing here is, apart from packaging and the bottling, do we have any other certification? I am trying to tell you the same thing again, my dear friends. These are the only 2 requirements of the US FDA that we really require. So these were some of the questions. I would like to take the questions again which has come today. I am just seeing it on my screen right now. The question is from Mr. Arush Chaudhary. Arush Chaudhary is actually asking about Brahmi. As per his question, what about the Brahmi? See, as I told you, Brahmi is actually a herb which is used in the Saraswata Churanam, which is one of the ingredients in Ayurveda, my dear friends. As I told you, it is based on the law of similarities, where the leaf resembles the human brain, and that is the reason why it supports the brain health as well. This is how this particular ingredient supports the brain health. The next question, the last question of the last week that I am actually seeing on the screen: can Ayurveda be useful in cellulitis problem? See, cellulitis is actually nothing but the inflammation of the cells actually. So, as I told you, some of the ingredients like Bilvadileham, what I was telling you today, is a very good anti-inflammatory agent as well. So whenever the inflammation reduces, automatically the cellulitis should also reduce. So definitely you can suggest, but again I am trying to tell you one thing: these are all based on the traditional claims and not validated by the US FDA, my dear friends. Please always, whenever any Vivite is promoting the product in the United States of America, you can promote the product based on the traditional claims only. You have to specify this point, and again please specify the point. It is also boldly written on the packaging as well, that all the claims or benefits are not validated by the US FDA. This is how the point has to be clear to everyone who is marketing or promoting the product in the United States of America, my dear friends. So let me have a look at the questions which has come today. The first question that I am seeing is from Mr. Dandapani. Mr. Dandapani is actually asking me one thing here. Let me have a glance at the question here. Mr. Dandapani is actually asking Ayurveda to support infertility problem. Well, again, Mr. Dandapani, I want to tell you one thing here. Ayurveda is actually a product which is, Ayurveda is actually a product which is a dietary supplement in the United States market, and usually the dietary supplements do not carry any claims or benefits. So it is always better for you not to have such claims or benefits like infertility, because these are some of the things which are highly scrutinized in the United States of America, and such people should always consult their physician or healthcare providers. Even as a company, we would like to speculate the same point that you need to, even we also recommend the same thing, you have to take consultation or recommendation of your healthcare providers during as well as before consuming this particular product, Ayurveda, my dear friends. I hope you got this point. So the second question that I am seeing here, will Ayurveda be available in India? So Ayurveda is a product which is actually specifically exclusively made for the United States of America. I hope my point is clear. The third question that I am seeing from Mr. Milind, what is the meaning of Arbuda mentioned in Ayurveda? I don't think so. The word Arbuda is actually mentioned anywhere in the Ayurveda packaging. So it was actually a thing which was done previously, but right now the word Arbuda has been taken out from the packaging as well as from the collaterals also, my dear friends. I hope you understood the point. The word Arbuda has been eliminated from all the collaterals. Arbuda, suppose if you are really interested to know about this, it is one of the ancient terminologies which is written in Sanskrit language, which is found in the textbooks of Ayurveda. It is speculating a kind of diseases which are mentioned in the textbooks of Ayurveda, my dear friends. So this is what exactly Arbuda is all about. But right now, in all of the packaging as well as the collaterals of Ayurveda, the word Arbuda has been removed because of the fact that a lot of regulatory restrictions are there to use such words, my dear friends. So along with this, I am taking the last question of the day again from Mr. Milind. Yes, Mr. Milind is again saying that only Ayurveda is available in the United States. Again, Mr. Milind, thanks for the question. So Ayurveda as of now is exclusively formulated and manufactured for the United States of America. We will definitely let you know if the company plans to launch this particular product elsewhere in the world or in India for that matter. We'll definitely keep you posted, and that is the reason why I am telling everyone, if someone has not liked the Facebook INC page, Indus Viva INC Facebook page, please do like and subscribe the page so that you will get all the updates which are happening in the United States of America, my dear friends. Please ask all the other Vivites and your downlines and customers to like this page in order to have the first-hand information of the developments which are happening in the United States, my friends. Again, I want to repeat this point. I'll be coming live every Friday night at 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time, which will be around about 11:30 a.m. in the morning in the United States of America. So exclusively on Indus Viva INC Facebook page and not on Vibrant Viva or Indus Viva page. Please have this in mind and then please communicate it to others. Thank you very much for your patient listening. This is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training, speaking to you live from my residence at Bangalore. Thank you very much. Have a good night all Indian Vivites, and a very good day ahead and a very good weekend for all the American Vivites. Thank you very much.